Hi, welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to talk a little about all the balaclavas I've made. And the balaclava is actually one of the main reasons I've kept this channel going, because I got so much positive feedback for my tutorials about these balaclavas and also my written patterns. Oh my god, I'm so happy for all the positive feedback I've gotten for this. It's amazing. So it's just keep me going. So I just want to show you some of my different kinds of balaclavas. I just want to start with this one because this was my most popular one. Actually, it's not. It's this one on the screen right now. This brown one. That is my most popular one. But I gifted it away. So I don't have it right here. But this is quite similar to that, this green one. And I worked this in Honey Bunny from Hoodie. I'm from Denmark, and Hoodie is one of the largest yarn manufacturers here. I think you have Bernard blanket yarn in other countries, but Hoodie is all over the world. But I've used a lot of Honey Bunny from Hoodie. You can do the balaclavas in all kinds of yarn, thick yarn, thin yarn. You go for it. Love balaclavas as much as I do. This one, very soft, very nice to wear. I just want to show you how it's worked up, because it looks like a difficult project, but it's really not. I promise it's so easy. I'm all about easy stuff. I want to show stuff to beginners, so I don't want to complicate it too much. You just start with the ribbing down here. Then you work back and forth, turn it into a tube, then work up here in your rows right here. Then you increase, continue up, sew it together, and then it's a balaclava. It's so easy. It's just the styling. You have to know how to do it. I show that at the end of every tutorial how you style it. So don't worry, just make these balaclavas. They are amazing, I promise. I made this one and the brown one. And then of course I made one in scrap yarn, because I crochet so much. So I have so much scrap yarn. So I wanted to try out if you could do a balaclava in scrap yarn. And of course you can that. It's here, the balaclava in scrap yarn. Very easy to do. And in the same style, of course, my little daughter, she's 5, she wanted a unicorn balaclava. So of course I made a unicorn one. This, I don't know if it's ugly or if it's cute. I think it's cute, but yeah. It has little ears as well. I made a written pattern for it if you want to try it. Also with these, you have to have a lot of different kinds of yarn, but of course you can, if you don't have the same yarn, you can do these with any kinds of yarn. You can use scrap yarn for this, it doesn't matter. Go, have fun, that's what crochet is all about. Just make these. A unicorn balaclava. And you can also make them just with granny squares. This one I have just made, I think it's 7 granny squares, 7 or 9 maybe, I don't know. You can see it in the tutorial. I just made some granny squares, then I sew them together, and then you have this granny square. Very, very easy to do, and you can do it with all kinds of granny squares. You don't have to use this one, just use your favorite granny square, put them together, you have a balaclava. I really love crocheting balaclavas. I think it's so funny. This one I made, this is a little different than I used to. I used We Are Knitters yarn. This one I have right here. You can see this is called the Petite wool because it's smaller than the regular wool. This is so nice and I really love the colors of it. This is a little harder to do than the other balaclavas. You have to follow the pattern a little more. You can freestyle a little bit more with the other balaclavas, but this one you have to follow the decreases up here for the head and around the the face, and with this string you have to make the holes for it and so on. But it's so beautiful, and it's so nice and warm. It really warms around your face, where the other ones is a little more open. So I really like this balaclava, but it is a little harder to do. So if you are a beginner, I will recommend starting with one of the other balaclavas and then moving on to this one afterwards. But it is a very nice pattern. Finally, the most recent turtleneck hoodie or balaclava, if you will. This one. This is done in the moss stitch. And the moss stitch is one of my favorite stitches, so I wanted to try it out on a balaclava, and it works just fine. If I should recommend a balaclava pattern to follow, I think I will choose this one to recommend. It's very easy to do. It is just as easy as the other ones, almost as easy as the other ones. But it is so beautiful with the moss stitch. So try it out. I really want to hear which one you prefer. Please leave a comment down below, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.